Hey, are you searching for good quality packing cubes? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these packing cubes. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then concluded that packing cubes is the most helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Veken Packing Cubes. This 6-piece set of packing cubes is more like rectangular boxes and is constructed out of fairly robust nylon. These inexpensive organizers are available in a range of sizes to accommodate a variety of objects, making them suitable for use whether traveling with a suitcase or even while relying on the compression capacity of a duffel bag. Simply because packing cubes are popular on Amazon does not indicate that they are of poor quality. Rather, it indicates only that they are affordable. Justifications for purchasing 6 bags for each item of everything you require, and then a bag specifically for shoes plastic window that allows you to see what you're looking for. Number 2. eBags Ultralight. Not 1, not 2, but 5 ultralight cubes are included in this set of eBags packing cubes, enabling you to organize all of your belongings. In addition to allowing your clothing to breathe and reducing the risk of mold growth, the mesh tops make it easy to locate certain pieces in your collection. They are available in 3 lively colors from which you can select, and they perform miracles in terms of keeping you organized while without adding unnecessary weight to your backpack. Purchase justifications. The mesh tops provide ventilation and make it easy to view what's inside the bag. The fact that it comes with 5 cubes makes it an excellent value for the price. It is not heavy and will not cause your bag to become heavier as a result of carrying it. Number 3. Amazon Basics Travel Organizer. Amazon Basics is a brand that has won our hearts over time and again. Their packing cubes are not only very long-lasting, but they are also quite reasonably priced. This makes them more approachable to the typical vacationer who has a set amount of money to spend on their trip. These 4 cubes come in a variety of bright colors to select from and have been created with a mesh top lid to make it easier to see the goods you need to reach as well as to offer ventilation to the objects stored inside. The mesh panel at the lid of one of the most reasonably priced packing cubes makes it easier to notice your clothing and avoids wrinkles. Additionally, the cube shapes are easy to stack onto each other within your luggage. This is one of the reasons why you should get one of these packing cubes. Number 4. Osprey Ultralight Packing Cubes. Because, in comparison to the other packing cubes, the Osprey Ultralight Packing Cubes can sustain an adequate amount of pressure and damage without falling apart, we have awarded them the label of being the most durable. Regardless of how frequently you put them to use, they will continue to serve you well for a long time as a result of the 40 denier nylon ripstop fabric and the YKK zippers. Reasons to purchase. Despite their compact size and lightweight, they can hold a large quantity of clothing. The ripstop material is extremely long-lasting, and the zippers are robust enough to bear weights that are sufficiently weighted down. Number 5. Eagle Creek Packet SPECTER Tech Cube. Recently, packing cubes have gained popularity as travel accessories. They assist in saving you the stress of having to search through your luggage while you look for your belongings by keeping it tidy at all times. Packing cubes are made to maximize the space in any bag. They may assist you to organize all of your possessions and compress your soft travel gear. They provide speedy and effective packing. They come in handy for weekend getaways, camping vacations, and longer stays where the cubes can be used for other things like laundry. You can easily organize your travel bag with this 3-cube set. Let's investigate to see if it is worthwhile to buy. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.